How to back up your photos on Google Drive. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video on how to back up your photos on Google Drive. Let's open our Google Drive application to start. And on here, you should see several options at the bottom of the page. We have Home, Storage, Shared, and Files. You have to be on Files in order to start the process. And once you are on Files, you should see the same page on the screen. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the page, and that should give you the following options. Tap on Upload, and this should open up your camera roll when you tap on Photos and Videos. And as you can see, we have our albums right here. And just select the album where you'd like to get the photos you'd like to back up. So let's just go to Recents, and let's say we want to back up all these, just these ones here. And then tap on Upload and just wait for it to complete. So as you can see, all of the images I selected are being uploaded to this drive, and you can just access your photos here anytime you want. You can even put them in a folder if you want, so you can tap on the plus icon here, tap folder, and you can just say backup. Just create this folder. You can tap this photo and all of the other ones as well, and then just move them to your drive and tap on the backup folder you created. You can tap on the Move Here option at the bottom of the page here, tap Move, and there you have it. You have successfully created a backup folder for your photos on your Google Drive. So if you have a lot of photos that you want to back up on Google Drive, it's actually going to be very tedious to do this manually. So it's better if you just use Google Photos, especially if you want to back up everything. Because on here, all you have to do is simply turn on the backup option here. So tap on your profile icon at the right top corner of the page and simply turn on backup. And you can just select which backup settings you prefer. Let's say you want to keep the original quality. Let's just tap on that and then just tap on confirm. And as you can see, when you tap on your profile icon again, it's already preparing the backup of all of the photos you have on your iPhone. So it'll be easier, or Google Photos is actually more ideal if you want to back up everything. But if it's just a few photos from your camera roll, then you may follow the initial step or the initial process I showed you on Google Drive. And that concludes our video for today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.